guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Milena and I love to do videos about makeup and fashion. So if you love either of those two things, make sure to like the video, comment, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see some more videos from me. But for today's look, I am going to show you how to achieve this everyday makeup look. It's a very natural, very easy look to achieve. So if you want to see how I did this, then please keep watching. The first thing that I'm going to do, obviously, is prime my face, and I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. If you haven't already noticed, this is my favorite. I use it all the time. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this onto my fingers, maybe like 1 or 2 pumps. Once I've primed my face, I am going to be using the IT Cosmetics CC Cream, Your Skin But Better. Mine's the regular one. I know there is a matte version and a Radient version, I think it is, which usually you'd think I would reach for. So this one has an SPF of 50 and it has anti-aging hydrating serum, which I really like. So I have the shade Medium. I'm gonna take some of that onto my beauty blender and I'm just gonna start applying all over my face. Next, I'm going to be going in with my favorite concealer, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Macadamia. So I'm just going to do a little bit of this under my eyes. You don't need a lot for this part because, like I said, we're trying to look very natural. We still want to cover things up, but we want it to look natural. And I've kind of mastered this, so I literally can finish this look in 15 minutes, if not less. Just a little bit on my chin. And then if you see any spots on your face that you want covered up a little bit better, just spot conceal those. And then we're gonna blend that out as well. To give you a little update on my tan, I know in my last video, if you haven't watched that, make sure to check it out. But in my last video, I did a self-tanning routine and then a review and demo of the new Bali Body Ultra Dark self-tanning mousse. And I absolutely loved how it turned out. It looked so beautiful. My mom and my sister both bought it because they thought it looked so good on me. And this is what it looks like. I think this is 6 days later. So it's kind of starting to come off right here and my armpits, and then my legs. I've been working out and I've been using a band, and where I was using that band, that's where the tan came off. So it is coming off just a little bit splotchy, but it's nothing worse than other self-tanners that I've used. So I actually really like it, and it's coming off a lot easier than my Saint-Tropez one, which makes me happy because that one is literally, it comes off very patchy and it's impossible to scrub off. So if you're looking for something that looks beautiful, it gives you the perfect shade of a tan, and it comes off really easily, I would go with the Bali. Next, I'm just going to powder my face a little bit because I don't want all of this cream moving around and kind of breaking apart on my face throughout the day, because when I wear this kind of makeup, it's an all-day thing. So I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Perfecting Coconut Setting Powder. It's so nice. And then I just tap some into the lid. It's kind of a strange lid. It's supposed to be designed so that you get, I think, just the right amount into here, but I kind of go crazy on my powder, so I put it into the lid and then I just go all over my face. Now that I have applied powder to my face, I am going to go ahead and put some bronzer on. I'm just going to do kind of a light little layer of bronzer, and I'm using my favorite one, the NARS Laguna bronzer. This is the limited edition packaging. It's so beautiful, but I'm going to be going in with this and I'm just going to be bronzing up my I'm just gonna take a little bit of bronzer on a blending brush. This one is the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease Brush. I'm just gonna take a little bit onto there, and I'm gonna blend it into my crease just to give my eyes a little bit of dimension. So once I've done that to my eyes, I am going to take my blush. This one is from MAC. It's fairly precious, and Extra Dimension blush. This is what it looks like inside. I love, it's like this really light peachy pink color. It's so, so beautiful. You could barely tell it's there, but it just gives your cheeks this amazing glow. So I'm gonna take some onto this Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH09 brush, and I'm just gonna put that on the apples of my cheeks and work my way up. And then once I've done that, I'm gonna use that same brush that I used for my blush, and I'm going to use this Hourglass Ambient Strobe Lighting Powder in Iridescent Strobe Light. So it looks like this on the inside. This is one of my more natural looking highlights. It's not like a beaming highlight, which I like for a regular day. That's it for the highlighter. And then next I'm gonna do my brows off camera, just because that's kind of what takes me the longest, and I can do a separate video on how I do my eyebrows. I'm sure a bunch of you have the same problem I have with your eyebrows not growing in as fast as you want them to, and you're dealing with thin eyebrows when you don't want to. So I can make a separate video showing how to do my thin brows and make them appear a little bit thicker. So I'll do that in another video, but I'm just gonna do my brows for now off camera, and I will be right back. Next, I'm doing my mascara, and I'm taking my favorite one, the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Like I said in my video about the Sephora haul, this is the best mascara. This is my everyday one. I wear this every day when I go to work, and I always get compliments when I wear this of people asking me what is on my lashes. So this is a really good one if you're looking for a mascara for every day. So for my everyday looks, I don't do any eyeliner and I don't do any lashes, just because I want to look natural and I want to look as me as possible, if that makes sense. I don't really see a need to wear lashes or do liner every day. I kind of like the look of having kind of a more naked eye sometimes. So typically as an everyday look, I only do mascara. So no liner and no lashes. Yes, I make a weird face when I put on mascara. Don't come at me for it. If you say that you don't do it too, you're lying. So yes, I make a weird face. Alrighty then, once we have done our mascara and we've pretty much finished everything, I'm gonna take my setting spray, and I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This one is the best setting spray because it's a continuous mist. Little chunks don't fly out onto your face like every other spray. So this one is a really, really good one that won't mess up your makeup, and it keeps it on all day. And this is the type of look that you want to stay on all day, so it's important to do a setting spray. And then last, I'm gonna do my lips, and I am just gonna be using the NUDESTIX Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm in the shade J Mama. So this is what it looks like inside. It's just a nude color. And I'm just gonna do my entire lip with it. Overline my lips because I want to have a bigger upper lip, but for today's look, since this is an everyday kind of thing, I'm not gonna do that. This is just what my natural outline is. And then if you want to go crazy and put some gloss on, a good one to use is my Little Baby Artist Couture Sugar Baby lip gloss. I'm gonna go crazy and do it because why not? But I'm just gonna put a little bit in the middle. And it just gives the most beautiful, beautiful color to your lips. Typically, I don't do that because when I'm at work, this all kind of goes crazy at some point, so I don't really see the need for lip gloss. Sometimes I feel like it, most of the time I don't. So a lot of times I'll just do the NUDESTIX J Mama on my lips because it's a really nice, subtle nude. I hope you guys like this look. It's very, very natural looking compared to what I normally do. I know most of my other looks are kind of crazy and a lot more dramatic, which is understandable. But yeah, this is what I look like when I am trying to look like I'm not really wearing much makeup. This is it. This is what I look like on a day-to-day basis when I'm going to work, if I'm going to, I don't know, the zoo, the mall, whatever it may be. This is kind of the look I'll do on myself. It's just very natural looking while still looking like you're doing something to your face. Obviously, I have product on my eyebrows that is inevitable, but for my eyes, I just did a little bit of bronzer, some highlight, and mascara. I didn't really go too crazy with my eyes like I usually do, and for my face, didn't do too much cream. I just did a couple powders, like a bronzer, a blush, a highlight, and that was that. I literally get this look done in about 15 minutes, if not less, and it's literally foolproof. You can't do this wrong, and I'm sure you're not going to. But if you liked my tutorial on how to get a quick and easy everyday makeup look, don't forget to like the video, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel because I have a lot more looks coming for you guys. So I will see you in the next video.